Dog, my organs are playing chores, organs, violins, and orchestra. Take a number. Drama is not fatal. Okay, seriously. I have this chest pain. It travels to my back, down to my legs, and also sometimes to my ex house. My girlfriend's house. Ex. That's not the chest pain. That's karma. I think I'm dying. Oh wait, you are not dying. You are just dehydrated. Or dramatic. Or both. Maybe. I googled it and it says I have 2 hours left. Oh god. Google also said the world will end in 2024. Yet we are here. Are you sure? Are you a real doctor? Listen, this is my pulse reader. If it's track in your knee, that means you are alive. Just kidding. I'm diagnosed. Okay. Sparkling spicy and overreaction. Wait a minute, docs. Do you have a lollipop or a slice of pizza? Maybe. This is your prescription. 3 cups of salt water and also 3 hours of watching Netflix. And stay away from toxic relationships. This client of mine is not going upstairs. Listen, subscribe, comment if there's somebody in your village or city that likes him. I'm doctor, and that was me.